Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your Mix Pro to your mobile device. We will cover the essential steps to get your setup running smoothly. First, gather the right cables and adapters for your phone or tablet. Next, make sure your Mix Pro has adequate power. Finally, prepare your mobile device by downloading any necessary applications. This guide ensures a seamless connection for your creative projects. Connecting your Mix Pro requires specific adapters for your mobile device. For Apple iPhones, you will need a Lightning to USB camera adapter or a USB-C to USB adapter for newer models. Android users will typically use a USB on-the-go or OTG adapter. Both setups then use a standard USB cable to link your Mix Pro to the adapter, ensuring a proper data flow. Now let's connect everything. First, plug your chosen adapter into your mobile phone's charging port. Next, take your USB cable and connect one end to your Mix Pro and the other end to the adapter. Once everything is physically connected, power on your Mix Pro. Finally, open your preferred recording or companion application on your mobile device to begin your work. If you encounter issues, first verify your Mix Pro has enough power. Some devices require external power. Also, confirm your mobile device's operating system is updated to its latest version. If problems persist, try using different USB cables or adapters, as sometimes these can be faulty. Remember, a stable connection is key for quality audio recording and reliable performance.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.